Hi, I'm Gabriella Michin with the agency. Welcome to the Penthouse at 235 West 71st. This classic Upper West Side apartment has 5,000 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 4 baths, and it's designed for entertaining, and you feel that the moment you walk into this grand foyer. With gallery walls that can accommodate an art collection, this elegant foyer leads you right into the great room. This great room is my favorite space in the penthouse because it's 70 feet wide with south-facing picturesque windows. The proportions in the great room are so grand that it accommodates 3 separate areas. Here we have a sitting area, a formal living room, as well as a dining room. The living room is flooded with natural light throughout the day and is large enough to host all of your friends. This corner dining room has double exposures, 10-foot ceilings, as well as partial river views. And nothing goes better with dinner than a sunset over the Hudson. What makes this penthouse ideal for entertaining is the easy flow from space to space. Just imagine sitting here in the library on a cold winter's night. The fireplace is roaring, you have your favorite book in hand, and a glass of bourbon. You want one? Actually, I prefer vodka. This room is only limited by your imagination, but right now it is configured as an elegant den. Here you can also appreciate the architectural details throughout the apartment, such as the custom millwork and hardwood floors. Even though the den is right off the great room, what I love most about this space is that you could close the doors and have all the privacy in the world. The huge eat-in kitchen rounds out the entertainment spaces, but let's go take a look at the bedrooms. Just look at this serene, pin-drop quiet primary suite with both northern and eastern exposures. I just love this little seating area where I could kick off my Manolos after a long day in the city. The room has ample closet space, which includes a windowed walk-in closet. And the windowed 5-fixture marble-clad bathroom is the perfect finishing touch to this primary suite. By now you've seen how magnificent this home is, but the most unique feature, this grand stairwell, which leads to something even more spectacular. Your own private rooftop oasis. With over 1,200 square feet and southern exposure, you get natural sunlight all day long. And with a place like this, no one needs a summer home. This rooftop terrace has both a dining area and a lounging area, making it the perfect place to host a daytime champagne party for all of your friends. And this is also the perfect place to end our tour. Thank you for visiting the Penthouse at 235 West 71st Street with me. Cheers.
Can't get enough of these breathtaking homes? Hit that subscribe button for more open house coming your way.